In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a room list to your Outlook calendar. This process is straightforward and will help you seamlessly integrate room lists into your scheduling, making room booking a breeze. By the end, you'll be proficient in adding a room list to your Outlook calendar, saving you valuable time and effort. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Outlook. If you haven't already, ensure you have the Outlook app installed on your device or navigate to the Outlook website. Once there, look to the top right corner of your screen. You should see the sign in option. Click on it. It's time to enter your email and password to sign in. Remember, it's always a good idea to keep your login information secure and not share it with anyone. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your main Outlook window. From here, we'll navigate over to your calendar. Look towards the bottom left side of your Outlook window. You'll see an icon resembling a calendar. Click on this icon to open your Outlook calendar. Now with your calendar open, let's focus on adding a new calendar specifically for room lists. You should notice an option labeled Add Calendar on this page. Go ahead and click it. Now that you're in the right place, you'll see various options to add different types of calendars, but for our purposes, click on Holidays. Although this might sound a bit unusual, this is where we start to integrate different calendar functions into your Outlook environment. This step isn't about adding holiday calendars per se, but more about using the structure to add room lists effectively. In this next step, you'll have to choose a country. This selection is crucial because it helps tailor the room list features to your specific location and regional settings. Make your selection from the list of countries. Once you've made your choice, simply click the X to close out of this option. This action completes the setup process and configures the functionality for your calendar. Now let's talk about viewing your new calendar setup. Still in your Outlook calendar, look for the option labeled Split View. This function is a fantastic tool that allows you to view multiple calendars simultaneously, including your newly added room list. Click on Split View to enable it, and you'll see how it enhances your scheduling capabilities by presenting multiple layers of calendar information in a single coherent view. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a room list to your Outlook calendar. You can now manage room bookings efficiently, and your calendar is organized in a way that supports your workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember to check back for more tips and tricks to optimize your Outlook experience. Have a great day.